What is the slope? What is the slope of the line that passes through the points 2, 5 and 411. So in this case, we're going to find the slope. So we have the formula if given 2 points. So for the formula of the slope, that is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So we have 2 points here, that is 2, 5 tsaka 411. So ang gagawin lang, let's write it here. So we have 2 and 5, then 411. So let's put x sub 1, y sub 1, then x sub 2, y sub 2. Then substitute it here to the formula of the slope. So we have m equals y sub 2 is 11 minus y sub 1 is 5 over x sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is 2. So which means we have 11 minus 5, that is 6, and 4 minus 2, that is 2, and 6 divided 2, that is 3. So we have the slope which is 3. Yes po. So we have 3 for the slope. So next, so about if we have the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 51. What is the largest integer?